Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you an amazing remedy to remove warts overnight and to get rid of the warts and to get it to dry out completely and to get it off with very simple ingredients, guys. At home you can prepare this amazing remedy, yet you will remove the wart forever and it's not gonna get back or anything because it's going to dry out and go away. So the first thing we'll need in a clean mixing bowl, we'll need a candle. And light the candle like so in order to get a few drops. Like that, my friends. And then my friends will need to add on it a piece of Vaseline, which we usually and then my friends will need a small piece of garlic and we'll need to shred it like so. Or mix it. And mix the ingredients. If you found the candles just kept, completely, dry, place it underneath the double boiler method. Once we have mixed the ingredients like that, my friends, apply it on the wart. And leave it overnight. The wart will actually dry out and will, get kind of completely dyed, and then it will peel off, and it will go away completely. This amazing remedy, guys, has been tried by so many friends and family members that they actually swear by it, and you will get rid of the wart permanently.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.